Hi people, it's Nettie again. Okay, what I want to show you today, as you can see, I took out the plant. It was bananas, but delicious bananas. You know, they wasn't too sweet, but it wasn't too sour either. It was at the right point. So I'm very happy with it. It's gonna stay there. You know, it's gonna grow here, this area, and I might put some other things here, you know, because they like growing all together. Like they don't want to, you know, they want to be a real family here. And I discovered another thing. I took out the plant. As you can see, we broke it right there. I don't know, I wanted to break it down more, but I'm scared I might hurt one of the, I call it, like we did here, you know. So we decided not to, you know, just leave it at that, and that's it, you know. So this one is already growing babies. As you can see, let me see. Right there is growing babies. And all these other ones are hers. Hers. This one, the biggie. And she has another one right here. This from this one. This one is all these other kids. And it has this one. So we have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, no. I counted wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over there. And this will make 7. So I'm very happy with it. And I'm going to leave him here. You know, it doesn't get, I call it, like crowded in with the other people's, I call it, bananas. You know, like there's bananas, there's my uncle's. So we want to like keep it, you know, separate, you know. And I told her, you want some bananas? He goes, what? All my trees, all my big trees already have given bananas. I've been trying to give it away. So he didn't want none, you know. But I did have a friend that did wanted some, and I gave her some. I sent it with my hubby, and he took it over there, and you know she liked it. And she called me. She goes, "Oh, they're so nice. It came out like if the ones that you buy in the stores, nice and yellow and everything." And since it was a lot, and I loved it, I took a couple of them and I put them in the refrigerator to hold the, you know, for it to getting worse with the heat. So this is pretty cool. I'm loving this, even though it's broken. You know, over there is all cracked up from the tree that fell, busted open. You know, and as you see right there, that line there, that's part of it too. So, and over here, I took out all the flowers. I'm throwing them against the wall over there, which I'm not gonna show because I still got my wing. And for people who have asked me, what's the wing? Okay, this is the wing. It's broken all up. That's why we haven't been able to paint it, fix it, or anything. But I call it, with the money that I was supposed to get, the 1,400 I think it was. I haven't got it yet, so that was gonna be used to fix this up, you know. And we're trying to fix the antenna over there, so everything's pretty cool, you know. And let me show you this. Yeah, in the bottom it's already compost, but I'm gonna keep on and on because it's gonna go until it goes, let's say, up to where the thing is, you know, because you know this goes down as we you know, put more things in there. And I don't know, maybe I think as soon as I see that it's like around here, I'm gonna stop and take all, you know, take all this out and take out all the good dirt out, so I could keep on doing this. This is just basically put here. You see, it's not nothing hard, you know, so it'll be pretty good. Another thing was that, hold on, oh God, okay. The other thing was that this, I cleaned it out a little. I just left a little bit of plants here, you know, Look, this thing is that it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous when they all have the flowers out. The problem is that behind after the flower comes the seeds, and the seeds are very small and they go all over the place. So like I said, but I think that they're looking beautiful, and the corianders are looking beautiful, as you can see here. And that's what I'm coming to talk about, corianders. And I'm just gonna say the easiest words. I can't. I don't know all that. All those weird words that they say there. You know. So besides, I have a problem of trying to say things also. My mind don't cut it. So anyway, we got culantros here. The smaller ones, how you call it? Recao. They call it recao. These are corianders. I think they call it long tail coriander, something like that. I can't remember the name. But either way, I'm gonna put it in the bottom. In the description, because that's where I'm gonna put all the vitamins and proteins and all that stuff. So I cleaned this out because I want to put more corianders here. I got the other side over there of my, how you call it, of my, where the window is to the kitchen, is all full. And oh my God, I wish you could be here to smell it. When it rains, your whole house smells just like corianders. I love it. I love it when it rains for that reason. So that's good. I love it. No, I was gonna do this. I did this talk, but I'm gonna keep doing this talk, and then I make another video that has to go with this. That way, cause I promise myself that Mopar, something like that. He he's giving lessons. If you want to go and check him out. Let me see if I could find him in, I call it, when I after I do this, I could have some time to find him, and I could put him in the this I call it the district. You see what I mean? I can't do it. The description. So that'll be pretty cool, and you could learn too. These are like mainly for new people, or the ones like me. I was monetized and I was demonetized in Maria, and I lost a lot of people. Some people are coming back. They say, I thought you have left it because I didn't see no more videos and this and that. I said, nah, I came back. I ain't giving up. This is what I like. This is what I want to do. And if one day YouTube says, well, we're not going to use this for people who's not getting up, so they will have to get out, I'll still find a place to go. As simple as that. I put up my own thing, I don't know. But how you call it? But I will keep on. I love what I do. Besides, we're gonna have soon, I think it's more sooner than I think, that things are gonna go sky high, and it's gonna be worse. And if you, let's say, try this kind of stuff. If you live in a tropical area, or you could plant bananas or plantain, do it. Keep them warm. You put some of these things they call it. I don't know what they call it. That I forgot. But and you could put it on the ground. That's what I did the other time with my tomatoes. 2 days during the winter, was pretty cold, and that's what I did. Put all that in there and let it stay there all winter until it started getting hot. Then I took all that out. So, people, if you're gonna, and besides, you're gonna have everything on your hands. Right now, when I need coriander, we used to buy coriander a lot in the store. Now we don't have to buy it. Because they have this little stick that goes up. That's very hard to touch. I tell my granddaughters, don't touch that because you're gonna feel some pain. They have like little stings, real sharp. And it's to protect the plant. That's mainly what they have it. And that even though those little leaves up there, they're good to eat, but I don't eat them because I don't want to get stung by them. You know. Then to me, it makes like a little rash. It starts itching all the time. So let me show you the last part, and then um, we do the finish off the video, because I want to show you one more thing that I did yesterday. Besides cleaning all this, because I like to keep it clean, but it's very hard because how you call it, sometimes I need help, so I have to wait for somebody who's be here to give me a help. You know, so we cleaned this out. This I left it here because it still got seeds, so let it blow there or something. I don't know. But I had to put this, but I'm gonna change this. I don't like it. I have still fence from where the front side is, so it has a double fence. Just so the dogs don't go in and nobody goes in through there. But like I said, I'm gonna see if this weekend. Excuse me, I got like a slight cold. Um, these things you stick, on here on the, so they could stick there, and so then I'm gonna put the thing there, uh, the fence. Okay, the fence. I'm gonna put it here, up to here. Because they're not gonna get in this side because it got some. How you call it? It got those tree things, and it's gonna sting them. So that's why they don't go that way. They go. My dog goes this way. As you know, before there was a big hole there. Um, the thing is that I see that this was up to there when I had it, and it has gone down, down, down. And it's not because of I call it, is leaking out. It's leaking out through here and through there, right there. That's another thing we have to fix, to refill those at least, to refill it so they don't the dirt don't leave through there. So and I got this one. I forgot to tell you about this one. Yeah, so that's 9. 9, was it? Was it an 8? And then this is 9. I don't remember. Anyway, this is one more. So this weekend I'm gonna see if I could take this out. I don't like it. It looks ugly. Whatever. But we're gonna get this fixed. And as you see, there's still babies coming out. Look at that over there. And I took a few of them and I put it over there in my balcony because I wanted to grow it there too. The ones that I had there, they died. I don't know what happened to them. So I'm just gonna take some more corianders over there because when it rains, it's hard to, to do this. So let me shut up already. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye. Oh, and if you like, give me a like. If you liked the video, give me a like. Bye bye.